Very good morning, students. Today I am giving you the reading part. Okay, today I am reading the chapter for you all as you people are going through your examination. So I will not start the explanation after 10th, that is after your examination. We will start with the explanation part. Okay, so today I am reading the chapter for you, that is lesson number 6, Fun with Logo. Okay, why I am reading this chapter for you all? So that you do not have any problem in the reading part. And reading is very important as you all people facing the online examination, and the pattern of examination is objective. So reading is very important. So please do the reading of the chapter. Dear Matrix, I came to know about a program named Logo, which is used to draw different shapes using commands. I want to learn about it. Yes, Compu. Logo is a basic programming language. It is a very easy and interesting language. We will learn about its basic commands. Introduction. Hi children, do you know how can you talk to a computer? A computer does not understand any of the languages that you speak. You need to instruct the computer in a special language to make it understand your requirements. There are various computer languages. Logo is one such language which is used to interact with a computer. It is a very simple computer language, though which various functions like drawing pictures, displaying text, drawing calculation, etc. can be performed. Various versions of logos are available. In this courseware, you will learn about MSW logo. Starting MSW logo. The steps to start MSW logo are: first, click on the Start button. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click on Microsoft Windows logo. Turn the page, come to page number 63. Fourth, click on Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, what you have to do? These are the steps shown here. First, All Program, then Microsoft Windows logo. First, Start button, then All Programs, then Microsoft Window logo and Microsoft Window logo. Next, MSW logo windows. MSW logo screen splits into two parts: main or graphic screen and commander window. Main or graphic screen and commander window. First, main or graphic screen. The blank space in the middle of the window is the main or graphic screen where you can see the drawn picture. The blank space in the middle of the window is the main or the graphic screen where you can see the drawn pictures. The triangle present on the screen is called the turtle. You can give instructions or commands to the turtle for the movements. Note, the turtle is a small rectangular structure. These are menu bar, graphic screen, turtle, command input box, recall list box, and this is control buttons. Move to page number 65. Commander window. Just under the main or the graphic screen, you will find the commander window. The different components of the commander windows are as follows. First, recall list box. It is the gray section that stores all the commands given to logo. It also displays an error message, which is the result of a wrong command. It will record all the outputs, including what you type in the input box. Next, command input box. The text box below the recall list box is called as the commander input box. This is where you type all the commands. Third, control button. The buttons on the right side of the recall list box are called the control buttons. They are used to perform their specific task. Halt button. It is immediate stop the logo. It immediately stops the logo. It immediately stops the logo from processing any further commands. Trace button. The trace button traces all the mistakes while giving commands to logo for debugging of a program. Next, pause button. It holds logo so that you can check the commands you have entered and make the corrections. Next, status button. It opens the status window which shows the current settings in logo. Reset button. It clears the main screen and places the turtle back at the center of the screen. Execute button. It is used to run a command entered in the command input box. Next, idle button. It is used to add procedures or change the existing procedures. Move to next page. This is page number 66. Basic commands. The instructions that you give to a computer are called commands. These commands are also called primitives, and they do some special kind of task. Let's learn about some of the basic commands. Forward command FD. The forward command or FD command is used to move the turtle forward in the direction in which it is pointing. The FD or forward command is used to move the turtle forward in the direction in which it is pointing. It needs the number of steps to move forward, for example, FD 50. The steps to use forward command are: first, put the mouse cursor by clicking in the command input box. Second, type FD, press spacebar and type any number, for example 50. Third, press the enter key or click on the execute button. The turtle moves forward by 50 points in the direction in which it is pointing. Note. If you give a large number, example FD 900, the turtle will first move up to the top of the screen, and then, because it cannot move forward, it will go around the screen and start drawing from the bottom of the screen. Next, page number 67. Back command BK. The back or BK command is used to move the turtle in the direction opposite to which it is pointing. It needs the number of steps to move backward. The back or BK command is used to move the turtle in the direction opposite to which it is pointing. It needs the number of steps to move backward. For example, BK 50. The steps to use back command are: first, put the mouse cursor by clicking in the command input box. Second, type BK, press spacebar and type any number, for example 50. Third, press the enter key or click on the execute button. The turtle moves backward by 50 points in the direction opposite to which it is pointing. Next, right command RT. The right or RT command is used to turn the turtle towards its right side. It needs a number of degrees to know the angle of turn. It needs a number of degree to know the angle of turn. For example, RT 45. The steps to use right command are: first, put the mouse cursor by clicking in the command input box. Second, type RT, press spacebar and type any number, for example 45. Third, press the enter key or click on the execute button. The turtle turns towards its right by 45 degrees. Now move to page number 68. Rotating the turtle. The following figure will help you to understand how the turtle can be rotated. Left command LT. The left or LT command is used to turn the turtle towards its left side. It needs a number of degree to know the angles of turn. For example, LT 45. The steps to use left command are: first, put the mouse cursor by clicking in the command input box. Second, type LT, press spacebar and type any number, for example 45. Third, press the enter key or click on the execute button. The turtle turns towards the left by 45 degrees. This is an activity that you have to do. Next, this is page number 69. Home command. The home command is used to bring the turtle back to its starting center position. The home command is used to bring the turtle back to its starting center position. Note: the home command does not erase the lines already drawn. It draws a line as the turtle moves. Clear screen command CS. The clear screen or CS command clears the content or drawing on the screen and brings the turtle back to the home center starting position. Note: the reset button in the control buttons section is used for the same purpose. Next, come to page number 70. Clear text command CT. The clear text or CT command is used to clear the text from the recall list box. Existing ex, ex, exiting exiting logo by command. After completing the work, close the logo window. The steps to close the logo window are: first, click on the file menu, click on the exit button, or first, put the mouse cursor by clicking in the command input box. Second, type the by command and press the enter key. Sorry, we have done this. Existing logo is completed. Okay, so this much is about lesson number 6. अभी मैंने आपको सिर्फ रीडिंग करके बताया चैप्टर का. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक हमारा और आई थिंक एग्ज़ाम ओवर हो जाएंगे. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके, टिल नाउ जस्ट डू द रीडिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर. अभी सिर्फ चैप्टर की रीडिंग करेंगे. आपके एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं, अभी एग्ज़ाम पे ध्यान दीजिए. उसके बाद आप चैप्टर की रीडिंग करेंगे, फिर हम एक्सप्लेनेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.